Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing. First impressions of this release, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 5G. This is the official global version, launching January 15th. I'm not sure if this video will be published before or after, as it depends on the schedule. I'm not sure if you'll see this before or after, but I got the device early and hurried here to show it to you as soon as possible. Once I have the purchase link for Brazil, I'll add it to the video description. Meanwhile, join the giveaway for the one I have here. 8GB RAM, 256GB black version. This giveaway is only for very important person WhatsApp and Telegram group members. Unboxing begins. A white box displays the model, a red background, and its main feature mentioned below. 5520 mAh battery, 108 megapixel camera, and side label with international mobile equipment identity codes and product version. Opening the box, we immediately see the envelope, and inside it we have an ejector pin, a quick start guide, and a black silicone case, and a charging and data transfer cable. USB-A on one end, USB-C on the other, with the smartphone below. As you know, the European version doesn't include a charger in the box. See how slim it is? But the version you'll buy in Brazil will already come with a 45-watt charger in the box, which is the maximum power it supports. And now, with the device already in hand, all set up, we have a 6.77-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode screen. A beautiful edge screen, man. For those who were missing it, here's a really nice edge screen. The device is thin, beautiful, man. For those who are fans of this kind of screen, just like I am, it's really spectacular. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate, high dynamic range, 10 plus and up to 3200 nits brightness. It has an excellent grip. It's very thin and very light, weighing 178 grams and 74 millimeters thick, and in this matte black color. It looks great, man. I love it. The camera module looks great, though I wish it had a few more updates. Just like with the Redmi Note 15 Pro I showed you, its module is very similar to the previous generation, the Note 14 Pro series. But even so, it looks good, man. It really deserves that nice pat on the back. On the right side, there's the volume up and down buttons and the power button. On the top, there's the infrared sensor, microphone, noise reducer, and stereo speaker. The left side is all smooth. And on the bottom, there's the SIM card tray, microphone, USB Type-C port, and speaker. Let's start by talking about artificial intelligence. It doesn't include Xiaomi Hyper AI. Only Gemini is pre-installed with Google Apps from the factory. It includes several photo editing features, but you must be logged into your Xiaomi account to use them. See how well it works? I erased the object there, and it works smoothly and very well. Now about the battery, we have 5520 mAh of silicon carbon. The performance is really good. It easily lasts the whole day. If you play games on your phone for 8-10 hours straight, you'll need to charge it. But for normal use, for an average person who doesn't spend 10 hours gaming non-stop, you'll have enough battery for the whole day. No problem at all. And now let's move on to the processor test I did with it. Okay guys? Snapdragon 6 3rd generation 4nm scored 620,000 on Antutu. A great result. It will run most of the games from the Play Store just fine. Let's run it quickly here. Some footage playing Cosmobile with it. You can see that the graphics are all set to maximum. Okay guys? I set everything to the highest settings, configuring it for the game's most powerful graphics. You can see that it runs smoothly too, no problem at all. It's running just fine, very fluid, very subtle, very smooth. You saw it's a great processor, so you won't have issues with daily tasks, work, or study. Most games will run smoothly on this device with no lag. Okay, for games that are really heavy, with very strong graphics, really demanding ones, then you might experience a bit of slowdowns or something like that, alright? For most people, this processor works fine without issues. It has IP66 and standard 810H military certifications, resisting high-pressure water jets and drops from up to 1.70 meters. Guys, a slim smartphone that's really well protected, that's really cool. For the range of devices it's going to compete with, this is going to be a huge advantage for it. The device runs Xiaomi HYPER OS 2 with Android 15 and promises 4 years of Android updates. We also support near-field communication for contactless payments. With Auto, also native, working perfectly now. The on-screen fingerprint unlock is working very well too, and facial unlock, both are really fast. And guys, at least 5 versions of this device were released. I'm not sure if all will come to Brazil, but officially there are 5. 6GB of RAM with 128, 8GB of RAM with 128, 8 with 256, 8 with 512, and 12 with 512. It supports 2 nano SIM cards and 5G, but lacks memory expansion and embedded subscriber identity module. Now let's move on to the audio and video test. Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 audio and video test. 2160p quality. Let's set it to maximum brightness here and rotate the screen. And now, maximum volume. All right, listen. It has stereo sound, okay? The big screen looks great, EJ. The active matrix organic light emitting diode is really good. Color quality, details, everything is very sharp. Music. Great job, guys. The device has excellent audio and image. The active matrix organic light emitting diode screen is beautiful with great brightness. Vivid colors, sharp screen, great clarity, and very good stereo audio, all enhanced by excellent Dolby Atmos technology. Let's discuss the cameras. The front has a 20 megapixel camera that records full high definition 1080p at 60 FPS with max resolution. Let's take some front camera photos and videos, then return. Here it is, guys. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 front camera shoots at 1080p 30 FPS. You can already see that it tries to work with high dynamic range here, but look, it turns white over there. Let me step out. Look, now it's blue and now it's white again, okay? I'm going to walk back here. It only records at 1080p 30 FPS. There's no option here on the screen to turn on or off stabilization or high dynamic range. Okay, but at first it stabilizes well. Here I'm holding it with just my right hand, walking here and recording for you. Okay, I'm gonna turn around one more time here. There, look, the sun is shining in the background back there. Wonderful, very good. There you go, guys. The image quality looks really good too. Look, smoke coming out, look. Can you guys see that? It's really cold, about 7 degrees here, but now the sun is out, so that's it, guys. Front camera of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15. Awesome, guys. I found the front camera really good for its category. The microphone also has excellent quality, and the video stabilization is really good too. And now let's check out the rear cameras, which are two. A main one with 108 megapixels and optical image stabilization, and a second one, an 8 megapixel ultra wide. And it can record in 4K at 30 FPS. Let's check out some photos and videos with the rear cameras, and we'll be back soon to share our final thoughts and wrap up the video. Here we are, guys. Rear camera of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 4K at 30 FPS maximum resolution. Let's try applying a zoom here, 3/6 half a dozen, maximum zoom of 6x 4K at 3.0. And apparently it doesn't have that stabilization. Hey, let's walk a little, holding it just with my right hand. Look, it tries to stabilize, but it shakes a little. Let's check the focus here. Nice, fast, very fast. Walking and holding with just my right hand, you can see the stabilization here. There I am. Let's switch now to 1080 and let's see if it has the stabilization feature. Now we're here at 1080 at 30. It doesn't give me any option to enable or disable stabilization. But we can clearly notice here, at least on the screen. For me now it has much better stabilization, better than in 4K. We're here, look, 1080 at 30 FPS, and here we can also zoom in up to 6x 6 times. Look how it stabilizes. You see the difference? That's it. Going back to 1x now, and that's it. Another detail is that in 4K, it can't open the wide angle, okay? To record with the wide angle, I have to record only with it. At 1080, let's do this now, and actually right now I'm recording at 1080 at 30 with the wide angle. Okay, look how it is. It stabilizes well at 1080 at 30, and here, let me see here. I can zoom in up to 2x up to 2 times, okay? And now we go back here to 0.6. Then yes, it stabilizes a lot. Really cool. Finally, a sunny day here, and we take the opportunity to come outside to take photos and videos. That's it, guys. The rear camera of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 is amazing. Guys, I really like the results from its rear cameras, especially at 1080p. We have very good stabilization, but at 4K it lacks a bit in stabilization, although it has excellent image quality. The colors are accurate and the resolution stays sharp even when zoomed in at 4K. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And now let's go to our final summary with the positive points. In my opinion, it's Edge style active matrix organic light emitting diode screen, which looks really beautiful, very good battery, certifications, near field communication connection, stereo sound with Dolby Atmos technology, and its rear cameras as well. And for the negative points, I would mention its front camera, but in the price range, at least for what it's being sold for here in Europe. The camera is good compared to competitors in that range and should perform well for its price, but I don't know the price in Brazil. We'll need to check that out later, more carefully, okay? But that's it, guys. I want to know what you thought of this video. Comment down below. If you liked it or didn't like it, leave your like. If you didn't leave it at the beginning, if you didn't like the video, that's okay too. Give it a dislike. There's no problem, okay? The important thing is for you to participate and leave your comment, always in a very respectful way. Before you go, check your subscription, turn on notifications, and share this video, all right? We're together, guys. Thank you all very much. God bless you. A big hug, and see you next time. Thanks. I'm out.